Bitcoin bulls are under pressure. Right now we're down with about 11% on the day, but just a couple of minutes ago we were down with I think 15 to 16% from its all-time high. Bitcoin is right now some 18.77% from lower, really. So what's going to happen next then? Should we be buying here, or should we give this a bit of a break and see what happens over the next couple of days? That's what we're going to talk about in this short video. Alright, good. Thanks so much for sticking with me. Look, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. That way you will get notifications when we publish more updates like these ones. We do at least 3 of these a week, and we also have the rest of the team here at ADFX publishing content as well. So you get a different perspective on the markets as well. Alright, so this is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin right now is, as I said before, down with about 11%. And it started just like a normal corrective move. We had a very nice run from its lows here in January all the way to the high. It's about 100% return. I mean, that's not bad for about a month of work. And as well, if you are like me, you traded a lot of the altcoins, then you know that we had a really good run in the very short period of time. And ultimately, at one point, people want to start to get book profits. So what were happening here is that the market was stuck in a short-term parabolic move, and we're just going up and up and up with very, very shallow corrections. And we talked about buying here a few times, and we talked about, I think, we're buying around here and around here, in particular here, and we managed to get that really nicely. Now, the market obviously at one point is going to come down lower, and this is what we're seeing right now. Now, I just took a simple Fibonacci from this very low to this very high, and the most interesting level, I think, is 61.8% correction level. That is a 40,482, which also happens to be where the all-time high was. What's also interesting is that the slide from here to here was about 32%. That is a drawdown. So drawdown was about 32%. Right now, we're off with about 18.77%. So that's how much we were down just recently here. So we could technically come down lower. If it's a situation that we have another 32% drawdown, then that's going to pretty much take us down to that third fib level. So that will take us down here to about 39,333 more or less. So this is super common, by the way. Like even in prior bull markets, we had 30% drawdown without that really changing things. In fact, we had several of them in 2017 and the years preceding that. So this is actually fully normal, and I think if people that wanted to go long on dips, they will probably be looking to go long around this level here. Now, I don't think we're going to have a massive sell-off. And just as I started to do this video, we actually started to see some interesting candlesticks. You can see here how we slid and then we bounced higher. Now, we still don't have a bullish candlestick on the 30-minute. Obviously, this being down here 47,000 and bouncing quite nicely, that is definitely the beginning of a bullish candle. Now this is going to close in about 3 minutes time. Obviously, if it would have gone up all the way to 52, then it would have been even more bullish. It would be similar to this candle up here. So what's the game plan here then? I would wait and see. Let's see if people will be more keen on buying. Right now, again, we're not seeing some strong indications. We're definitely seeing the bounce, of course, but I'm not 100% sure that this is it. Because if it bounced just from here, it would be a bounce from the first fib only. And I would prefer, actually, if we can go at least 50% down to these levels, that would be the optimal. So let's see what the candle tells us. Right now, we don't have a single bullish candle. The levels that are interesting, this one being the most important one, and then you have the 50 level. I would not myself be buying at the first fib level here. I would wait for a bit more of a correction. Last thing, sometimes that never happens. So what happens at that point is that we might form some sort of pattern here over the next couple of days, and then we can trade when we have a break to that pattern. So let's not worry too much, and just let's see what's going to happen over the next day or two in Bitcoin. Thanks so much for watching. As I said before, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.